Hello to you once again, and you're welcome to our channel. In today's math tutorial, we want to solve exponential equations that arise from direct and indirect variation. So sit tight and ensure you watch to the end this very exciting and educative math tutorial. The first question we shall be exploring in this tutorial is P varies directly to a certain power of Q, and when P is 2, Q is 0.4, and when P is 4, Q is 6.4. So we are required to find the power to which Q is raised. To start with, we let the power to which Q is raised be n. So with it being n, the variation is P varies directly at Q raised to power n. Then the variation symbol is turned to an equation where we write P is equal to K times Q raised to power n, where K is a constant, the constant of variation. Making K the subject of the formula, we have that K is equal to P over Q raised to power n, such that from the question, when P is 2, Q is 0.4. Substituting these values, we give K equals to 2 over 0.4 to the power of n, which we call equation 1. Similarly, from the problem, when P is 4, Q is 6.4. Substituting this also gives the constant as 4 over 6.4 raised to power n as equation 2. Now, since the constant remains the same, we can equate 1 and 2, which means that 2 over 0.4 raised to power n is equal to 4 over 6.4 raised to power n. Then we will multiply both sides by 0.4 raised to power n over 2, and the equation becomes 0.4 raised to power n over 2 times 2 over 0.4 to the power of n on the left, and on the right side we have 0.4 raised to power n over 2 times 4 over 6.4 raised to power n. This gives 1 on the left hand side equals to 2 times 0.4 raised to power n over 6.4 raised to power n, thus becoming 1 equals to 2 times 0.4 over 6.4 all raised to power n. That is, 1 is equal to 2 times 0.4 over 6.4 gives 1 over 16, and that is to power n, which is written as 1 equals to 2 times 1 over 2 raised to power 4, then raised to power n. The right hand side can be written as 2 times 2 raised to power minus 4n. The left hand side can be written as 2 to the power of 0 as 1, and the right hand side can be combined as 2 to the power of minus 4n plus 1. Then at this point, since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. And equating the exponent will leave us with 0 equals to minus 4n plus 1, such that 4n is equal to 1, and n, the power to which Q is raised, is 1 over 4 when we divide both sides by 4. We believe you are enjoying the tutorial so far. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our updates and math tutorials as we continue to indirect or inverse variation. The problem to solve on inverse variation is x varies inversely as y raised to power n, which we write first as x varies as 1 over y raised to power n, and that is changed to an equation x equals to c over y raised to power n, where c is a constant. Making c the constant the subject of the formula of the relation, we have c to be equal to x times y raised to power n, and we are given that x is 9 when y is 27. These values we substitute to have our constant be 9 times 27 to the power of n, written as c equals to 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 3n, and combined as 3 raised to power 2 plus 3n, designated as equation 1. We also have that when x is 81, y is 3. This we substitute again to have c equals to 81 times 3 raised to power n. That is, c is 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power n. This becomes c equals to 3 raised to power 4 plus n when we combine by using the law of the addition of exponents in the multiplication of powers. We call this equation 2, and since the constant is the same as we said earlier, we can equate equation 1 and 2 to give us 3 raised to power 2 plus 3n on the left and 3 raised to power 4 plus n on the right. Having the same basis of 3, we can equate the exponents. Equating the exponents leaves us with 2 plus 3n equals to 4 plus n, so that from here we subtract n from both sides and 2 from both sides to give 3n minus n on the left and 4 minus 2 on the right, where 2n is 2. Dividing both sides by 2, n is 1. That is the power to which y is raised. Since the question is asking for the relationship between x and y, we put n equals to 1 into any of the equations. Say equation 2 in order to get the value of the constant. Equation 2, c equals to 3 raised to power 4 plus n, that's 4 plus 1, which is 3 raised to power 5, or 243. Substituting this into the original equation, which is x is equal to c over y raised to power n, the relationship between x and y is therefore x equals to 243 over y raised to power 1, or just y. So in this math tutorial, we have simply moved from direct and indirect variation into exponential equations. Please help us to make the math tutorial go viral by sharing, giving us a like, and leaving your thoughts and comments in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that from time to time you can be aware of our math tutorial. Thank you, and keep watching our videos. Bye.